5 nights me sleeping at the car. And we did it. Not no clothes, nothing to eat. And we just did it.
Hi guys, my name is Alia Hall, new face here on the Dutty Berry Show. And today we're in Westmoreland at the Petersfield High School that's currently being used as a shelter for those affected by Hurricane Melissa. Today we're going to explore the stories of those who are here, from the highs to the lows and everything in between. All right, can you tell us your name and where you're from?
My name is Joan Ricketts. I'm from Hartford. This family name Hartford Line. All right.
All right, so tell us a little about what life was like before Melissa hit and what life is like now.
Okay. Before Melissa hit, me dey home and make some porridge and the hair and did and they prepare for cook some more food and then me see every breeze start come me see like gone and me did it and me dey wonder say I hate this now we can't get to no one else and me did it and me peep through my window all the breezes coming and me did it when me look the first thing me see my veranda tear down when me look and see my veranda tear down, me see start pull me living hall and me look and see the whole place start tear. Me run out. Me allow me have my grandson in with me. Me run left him and my daughter 3 months pregnant. Me run cause me tell her me never experienced something like this. And when me look, me see my grandson they run behind me and my daughter run behind me and me go over my nether son one room and we in there. Me hear something they whistle like a somebody they call and me say somebody they call but we take a stop. No one now call we. I the win and me did it and see me son. Everything start shell down off and my son me have to go on at the bed bottom. The mattress when up on the bed so he get heavy me can't lift up and me lay down under them me and my daughter with him belly in 3 months pregnant. Lie down on my side under there the water and they tell God say God hold her and me and my daughter. We say hold my hand. And me there me start cry.
So your home was badly damaged. So where are you staying now?
Me still me still me still
It's okay, take your time. Take your time.
It's still they set place. But most I tear down. So when my big son did it, I see the stress me under. And my 2 foot them when swell so till them come like they go burst cause I like in our Eddie wagon, my car. 4 we have in there. So when I look and see, we in the 5 nights. 5 nights me sleeping in the car. And we did it. Not no clothes, nothing to eat. And we just did it. And when me look and see how my foot them swell, my son say, you have to go do something for me. And he did it and tack up, so till me can go in somewhere for me lie down better cause my 2 foot them just a swell leg go on so I can't stop and I dry down because I not get no comfortable sleep.
So what?
Not there, me there right now. But me did it right now, but me still not me still traumatized because rat didn't kill me at night time because the whole community we saw me there cheer down said way. So when this party rat them when they come like then just then see some me did it still so then just come in for me mosquito and kill me at night and rat all destroy me at light. Nah help nothing. So me still did it. So that's why you see me out of it. Me just sleep and get up and bathe and just go river, go bathe and come back and just there at the gate the beg to come in to get some food. Cause to me depressed and something, me not have no way to turn. Me dey even can't cook. That's why you hear me tell us me feel hungry, me I eat one other food. So that's how it go.
So even though you're not staying here at the Petersfield shelter, you come to kind of get some resources. How helpful has it been? Have you been getting some support?
Not really. Me not get no support because me dey come from when and I second time in here. And the security kind of sorry for me to see from when me they come and me they beg. So the security just let me in because for when he mark me face, you know, say me really not get to come in to get no help. And mostly like the people on the street, he pass and give you one liquor bag with something. But over here, when you come over, see the from man, me over here. I know me not get nothing. Me just there, they move around. Everything me see come out. You see how you go, you just go there. But it's hard for you get something over here. So sometimes I ever worry, although I not have nothing more and so, but me still the whole on. You understand? Yeah.
So you mentioned that you're still holding on. So what
Yeah.
keeps you going amidst all this hardship?
Me have to tell you the truth, sometimes I just sit down and me come all a doctor and they say my pressure well high. Because to me not get the rest of me for rest and me don't know, it just come like me still worried. You understand? Because me not tell you the truth, me not get no, right now me things them me they worry right now. Because when my son touch up rain, it through this thing them some mash up, they will mash up. When me tell us they will, me buy $1,500 worth of stop leak. But to all these things them mash up, rain when rain fall, the something them still wet and all me beg one chop hole in all know me not get if it cover me things them said way. But me can't run left wing because when me run them then take away everything when me last. They will take away everything so me still there. Yeah.
So if people wanted to reach out to you and assist, how can they get in contact with you?
Me have a phone. So me then give me phone number. But if me not up here so at daytime, it hard for them my phone pick up. Me have to come up. That's why I'm up here. Me attached to the what they call it Starling. Yeah. So me give out my number. Alright.
So oh, okay, you're giving out the number.
Yeah. 909 28. Wow. Oh, 64.
One more time.
909 28 64.
All right, thank you so much for sitting down with me. You've heard the stories, so if you can't help somebody, reach out because it takes a village. I'm your girl Alia Hall. You can find me at _Alia Hall _. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.